How Thanksgiving can boost your health and happiness. Thanksgiving isn't just about turkey, stuffing, and pie, although we love those. It's also the perfect opportunity to recharge your physical and mental health. Let me show you how you can make the most of this delicious holiday. Believe it or not, all that holiday prep can be a workout. Lugging a heavy turkey, chopping veggies, and vigorously mixing pie ingredients could rival your gym session. And let's not forget the ultimate family tradition, the post-meal nap. Nature's way of saying you've done enough exercise for the day. You might not know this, but every thank you say acts like a little happiness booster. Gratitude is your mental health's best friend, reducing stress and increasing joy. So while you awkwardly compliment Aunt Betty's infamous Jell-O salad, remember, you're actually doing wonders for your mood. There's no gym required when you've got a family football game. Huddling up in the backyard for some friendly fun can burn off those mashed potatoes faster than you can say pumpkin pie. Plus, laughter from watching Grandpa try a touchdown dance is an Abby workout in itself. The kitchen is where the magic happens, both culinary and familial. Gathering around the stove to cook with loved ones is not just about food, it's about bonding. Sharing secret family recipes and culinary disasters can foster connections, sprinkling a dash of love into every dish. Thanksgiving isn't complete without the heartwarming and often hilarious tales exchanged at the table. Storytelling not only enhances the meal experience, but also promotes mental health. Listening and sharing stories create a sense of belonging and reinforce family bonds, making Thanksgiving a feast for the soul. Use Thanksgiving as a springboard to cultivate a gratitude practice all year long. Little acts of appreciation can significantly increase your happiness quotient. Keep a gratitude jar where family members can drop in notes of thanks. It's a powerful way to remember what truly matters. Sure, Thanksgiving is a calorie-dense holiday, but it's also a reset button. Balancing indulgence with mindful eating and movement, like a post-dinner walk, can help manage those extra bites. Plus, the laughter and bonding eliminate heavy hearts, making room for lighter spirits. This Thanksgiving, turn the holiday into a health-boosting extravaganza. Indulge in food and laughter, soak in the gratitude, and cherish the family moments. Tell us how Thanksgiving reshapes your health and happiness in the comments below. Subscribe for more tips on celebrating life, one holiday at a time.